Alright, yun. So, harvest is done. Clear out na tong area. So now, time to clean up and move another batch on this side once we are done cleaning and disinfecting. Alright, so let's go. Alright. Yun. So, a good day to sweat. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo maglinis. So, tapos gawin mo natin na ng konti. Siguro one day. Mamaya mag-spray tayo. Then the next day, pwede na natin ilipat yung isang ano doon. Isang batch ulit. So, ideally, kapag mayroon kang enough space na marami kang halimbawa grow out pens for your next batches, mas maganda na mayroon kang extra kasi mas maganda na anuhan mo na ito ng konti na babakante, at least maganda mga 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks no, para alright. So bagong tenant natin dito sa vacant na apartment, 60 plus reserve na day o na pullets no? D102 pullets and a few D109. Enjoy. We're almost freedom days.